This video is going to teach you how to add in a drawing or a doodle to a Google Slides. Believe it or not, I drew that picture myself entirely in Google Slides. The first thing that you need to do is learn how to add in a scribble. To do this, you click on Insert, scroll down to where it says Line, and then choose the option for Scribble. Once you have that there, you can scribble to your heart's desire. Another way to get the scribble tool ready to go is by clicking on this squiggly line. It's not always there, but if it is, you can click on that, and then your mouse will change to that plus sign, and that's when you know you're ready to scribble. With your scribbles, you can do a couple things. You can also change the color of the line. I drew this beautiful flower, but it's not very pretty in black and white. I want to change the flower to be pink. In order to do that, all I have to do is click on the flower until it kind of gets boxed in blue. That means I've clicked on it. Go up here to the pencil and the line color, and then select the color that I want. I can also change the thickness of that line. It's a little bit too thin. I would like to make my flower thicker. So I click on these three lines right here where it says line weight. That means how thick it is. And I'm going to choose 8. It's going to be nice and beautiful. I'm going to do the same for the stem and the leaf. Here we have the stem. I want that one to be green and pretty thick. And then we'll do the same for the leaf. Again, I click on it, choose the pencil for the line color, make it green, and then I can click on these 3 lines right here to choose how thick I want it. The larger the number, the thicker the line. Now that I have my flower there, I want to try and change the size of it. And I also want to copy that leaf over because I really liked how it turned out. I can change the size of my flower by clicking on it and then dragging this square. I can make it larger, I can make it smaller, I can make it taller, and I can make it wider. You can also reposition it. It can be tricky at times, but you know that you're ready to go when your arrow has that thick plus sign with the 4 arrows. So I'll resize that. I think that looks great. I really liked how my leaf turned out. To copy it, all I have to do is click on it and then choose copy and paste. So you can do that by doing Control-C for copy, Control-V for paste, and it'll duplicate it. I'm gonna rotate this one using that blue circle at the top and place it over onto the other side. Lastly, I want to add in that perfect yellow circle at the center of my flower, but I'm not very good at drawing circles. You can add in any sort of predetermined shape, similar to how you add in a scribble. Click Insert, Shape, and then you can choose from these categories. There's a bunch of different options. I recommend you take a look at all of them. I am looking for a circle though. So I'm going to choose that circle, I'm going to draw it out. It automatically fills it in with that gray color, but I want it to be a nice yellow center. So I'm going to change the fill to yellow. It still has that gray line on the outside, which I don't love, so I can change that again by choosing this pencil to change the line color, choose a nice yellow color, and then it's good to go. There's a lot more things that you can do with inserting shapes, so I recommend that you take a look around. There's also lines and arrows and curves that it allows you to draw with. So if you're not happy with the scribble that you created, you might want to explore some of those other options. I hope this was helpful in learning how to add in a drawing to your Google slide.